In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord RTC connecting. If your voice channels hang on RTC connecting or you keep dropping from calls, follow along. I'll walk you through a straightforward sequence that refreshes Discord, resets audio preferences, adjusts one key network setting, and, if needed, fully reinstalls the app. Stick with the order I show and test a voice call after each section so you know exactly what fixed it. First, restart Discord completely. This ensures any stuck background process gets cleared. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. In the Processes list, find Discord. Select it, then click End Task. This fully closes the app and any helper processes. Wait a couple of seconds, then open Discord again from your desktop or Start menu. Once it launches, try joining a voice channel. If the status quickly changes from RTC connecting to connected, you're good. If not, continue. Next, reset your voice settings inside Discord. In the app, click Settings, the small gear icon near the bottom. Open Voice and Video. Scroll all the way down and click Reset Voice Settings, then Confirm. This returns audio options to their defaults, which is helpful if a device change or custom setting is causing the handshake to fail. After the reset, reselect your preferred microphone and speakers at the top of the Voice and Video page and adjust input volume as needed. Join a voice channel again and see if the connection stabilizes. If you're still stuck, turn off Quality of Service High Packet Priority. From Settings, go to Voice and Video and look for the Quality of Service section. Toggle off High Packet Priority. This feature tries to prioritize voice traffic, but some routers and networks simply don't handle it well, causing connection issues. Disabling it won't harm call quality in most cases, and it often removes the roadblock preventing the RTC connection. Try another voice call to confirm. Finally, if nothing has worked so far, reinstall Discord. Uninstall Discord from your system to remove any corrupted files or incomplete updates. Then download the latest version from the official Discord website to ensure you're getting a fresh, up-to-date build. Reinstalling will preserve your account and most preferences, but you may need to sign back in and reselect your audio devices once. After the reinstall, launch Discord and test a voice call. That's it. Work through these in order, and you should clear the RTC connecting issue quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your calls without interruption.